Good afternoon. In uncertain times, having clearly identified targets and the opportunity to contribute to their identification can deepen our unity. We need to know how to respond to present challenges at this moment in time, but also what will launch us best into the future. To date, PACA's goals for students have been stated in 7 broad categories and using 45 bulleted statements. Believing this is too much to pack into our daily consciousness as a consistent guide, PACA leadership, the board, as well as me, the superintendent, have stepped back to review and establish ends policies for Pan American Christian Academy. We want to involve every parent who is willing to contribute his or her ideas to this important undertaking. The PACA mission, which is to nourish hearts, develop minds, and educate for eternity, is not being considered for change. Rather, out of that mission statement, we propose a more concise, what we are calling an ends policy statement. It has boiled down to a 4-word description of who our students, your children, are going to become. We ask that you respond via this survey concerning these 4 statements by April 9th. That's about 10 days from now. We believe that less is more. And in this case of ends policy, we have proposed for the board's consideration and ultimate acceptance the following statement. PACA students are whole, achievers, stewards, and catalysts. In the survey, you will note 3 suggested descriptors or indicators that are attached to each of these ends. Neither the ends nor their descriptors have been finalized. But this is your opportunity as a parent, along with other parents, as well as PACA faculty, support staff, and school leadership, to contribute to establishing 4 primary targets, ends, for our students. This survey will gather feedback from stakeholders for the board's consideration at its meeting on April 14th, 2021. We envision starting the 2021-22 school year with a new ends policy in place. Your input, again by April 9th, 2021, will assist us in meeting this timeline. Please consider how your voice can best be heard as you express thoughts in this survey on the 4 ends as the survey requests. Feel free to add thoughts on the indicators below each end. This will help us define how our students will achieve these ends. The survey and instructions are provided in both English and Portuguese. Again, I want to thank you. I do thank you for the opportunity to serve your family through educating your daughters and sons at Pan American Christian Academy. Happy Resurrection Week as well.